To change the language on your Android phone, you can follow these general steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone, and you can typically find it in the app drawer or on the home screen, or you can search for Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page and tap on System and Update, represented by a phone and a gear icon in blue and white. Click on Language and Input, third from the top. Then click on Language and Region. And here you will see the current language displayed, so English. To add a new language, tap on Add a Language or Add Language. And select the language you want to use from the list provided. Spanish. Click on it. And are you sure you want to change your system language to Spanish? Change. You can also choose a specific dialect or variation of the language. Then you switch to English. Then you click on Region. And if you want to change your language again, simply tick on Spanish or another language. And when you want to delete the language, you can tap on the three dots, remove languages, and then select the language you want to remove and click on remove. And if this language is removed, your device may display content in another language, so the language which is available, English in our case. And that's it. That's how you change the language on your Android phone.